Hi guys, welcome back to your last experiment. This experiment is also going to be your biggest one, and it's going to be a project for you guys to do with your groups, and maybe it's going to be a little bit of a competition as well. This experiment is called balloon powered car. Now, can you make a car that moves on a balloon alone? What do you think? I can make a car move. I don't mean a big car, I mean like a small car. Something that we're going to make. What do you think? We're also going to learn a bit about Newton's third law of motion. I'll talk more about the third law of motion later. For now, you're going to need these things. A balloon, a pen, Sharpie, something you can draw on, a pin. Now, do not use sharp things without your parents' help. Your mum and dad, ask Ma and Pa to come and help you. You need ruler, scissors, a knife. Remember, again, do not use a knife without your Ma and Pa, your mum and dad's help. Ask them first. Have them look. And if they don't let you, ask them to do it for you. Some sellotape. Cardboard. If you do not have cardboard, you may use a plastic bottle. Measuring tape. But you do not need this if you don't have it. You can use a ruler instead. You also need 2 straws, 2 sticks. Now, if you do not have sticks, you can use the ink from a pen instead of the stick. I'll show you later how you can use an ink from a pen instead of a stick. I got this stick from my fruit, which I ate this morning. I had some mango. Mum won. I ate it. It was delicious. I asked the lady for an extra stick, and she was very nice and gave it to me. So I have 2 sticks here. You also need some bottle caps. I recycled these from bottles of water I had drunk earlier this week. Any bottle caps are okay. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Get your cardboard and draw the pattern we're going to cut. Your pattern is going to be 3 inches by 6 inches. 6 inches by 3 inches. Now, cut this out. I'm going to use a knife and my board. You can use scissors if your mum and dad do not let you, or if you don't have a knife to cut. Be very, very careful. And again, with your mum and dad's permission, not by yourself. This is going to be our car's body. If at this point you want to paint it or make this look pretty, do that now. You can pause the video and get this ready. Okay? Step 2. We're going to make something to hold these sticks, because we want these sticks to be able to spin. If we sellotape them down, our car is not going to move. For that, we're going to use straws. So step 2. Cut these straws to the length, the width of your cardboard base. There we go. 2 pieces. Now with these 2 pieces, we're going to want to sellotape them down. You want them to be about these points, but you can put them further down. Remember, they need to be the same distance away from each other. This is step 3. Sellotape your straws down. I'm going to use this brown tape. Go. So you see the sticks are going to go through, and they'll be able to spin, which is important for wheels. next step is to get our balloon ready. Have a straw, you got your balloon, now we want to tape around the straw and balloon so no air leaves the balloon from here. You only want air to come in and out of the end of your straw. So now we have this piece, this piece. Next we need to do the wheels. So this is step 5. Take our wheels. We're going to make holes in them. Now again, ask your parents to this stage. This is a point where we're using something very sharp. We do not want you to hurt yourselves. You want to make a hole in the middle of your wheels. If you think it's hard, draw like a plus like I did on your wheels. Draw one line and another line so you know where to make your hole. Just like that. So we're going to make a hole in the center here. We're going to use a pin. There we go. Step 6. Attach the stick to the wheels on your base. You're going to do that by taking the end of one stick, putting it into one of these. Might need to push it a bit. Go. And then you're going to put this through. And you're going to add the other cap on the end. Look, it moves. Now next step, you want to sellotape your balloon down to your car. Now we're going to sellotape it and then we're going to cut a bit of straw off. I'm going to use some of my dark duct tape. Black is cool. Now let's try it. Let's see if our car moves. Yeah. Look at that. Our car moved. How and why? Well, how is explained through Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So I'm leaning on this table. I'm pushing down on the table, and the table's pushing up on me. Now, get into your groups and do this now. As I said before, if you want to use a bottle, you can. I did one here with a bottle. It's a little bit hard, but I managed to make it work. I also did one where I left the straw long. These are things you're going to see. Now, why did we have this tape? Well, why don't you come with me and I'll show you why. Now we've got our cars here. Now the reason I said have a tape measure, can you guess, is because we're going to see how far these can go. I want you to do this with your group. Maybe have everyone in your group make a different cut. Once you've seen how far it goes, you're going to take a measurement and you're going to submit it to me, and the group with the furthest total distance, which means group member 1, 2, and 3, and 4 together, might win. You might think some people have 5 people in their group, but don't worry, I will average to see what the best average is. Now let's give these a go. I've got tape here to show where I'm starting. I'm going to blow my first one up, which is my bottle one. Write that down. So our winner is the
green cup. Now, what if you don't have a measuring tape? What you can do is use your ruler. Now, each person in each group should only make one. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this experiment. I can't wait to see what you're doing. Don't forget to get back into your group channels, have a chat with your group, figure out how you're going to do it. Maybe everybody can do something different, which might mean that you might have better results. Okay, thank you guys, I hope to see you back in school soon. This is the last experiment of the day. I can't wait to see you. See you guys back at school.